How to repair Mitsubishi Aircon leaking problem. It is one of the most common problems with aircon. Thankfully, there are some easy steps you can take to repair your Mitsubishi Aircon. Steps for aircon repair. To stop the water leaking, first of all, you need to remove the aircon from the window. One should take care while removing the unit as it's a bit heavy and may not be removable by a single person. Once the air conditioning unit has been removed, it needs to be placed on a level and firm surface. Next up is to remove the outer covering of the unit. This can be done with the help of a screwdriver. Most of the air conditioning units use anywhere from 4 to 6 screws for holding the unit in the frame. Once you have successfully removed the outer covering, you will see a plastic tray on the bottom of the unit. To clean the drain pipe, you can connect it to a garden hose and let water flow through it. Once the water has flown for about 5 to 10 minutes, you also need to put some house bleach into the drain pipe to clean it completely. It is recommended to let the bleach stay in the drain pipe for at least 10 minutes for thorough cleaning. Now, connect the garden hose with the drain pipe again to clear the house bleach. Also, clean the inside of the aircon with a garden hose. Spray the water at a moderate pressure inside the air conditioning unit. Also, clean the drain tray with a garden hose as there may be some solid debris inside the tray that needs to be cleaned. Clean the interior and exterior coils along with the interior filter for the complete cleaning of the aircon unit. Your aircon unit should be completely clean now. Now it is time to dry the aircon. You can place the aircon in sunlight to dry. Once it is completely dried up, just reverse the process followed while opening the outer frame. Now fix it in the window and check whether water leakage has stopped or not. In case it has not stopped, there may be some other problem with the unit that can be checked and repaired by a trained technician.